Margins. The shortcut of the margin sum is this section, which I've told you I will talk later. Later is now. Margins indicate how much space should be between the worksheet data and the edge of the page. The spaces from top, left, bottom, and right, which we have talked in design form lecture. Here we have header and footer margins. I change the footer margin to 5, then press on OK. Here you will see the place of this footer is changed. Change 5 to 0.30. The header margin is like the footers. If you change it, the placement will change. I want my printed page to be in the center, so activate just horizontally box. Sheet. The Sheet tab is the Sheet settings. I will talk about this later. The print settings, whatever you want to see in printed pages, you can activate them. Grid lines, or instead of colored prints, black and white print. Draft quality is like a log report. Let me check this box and show you. All the borders and charts are gone. Just the texts are remained. I uncheck it. Row and column headings will add something like a ruler to the form. I select it and press on OK. Something like this. I uncheck it. Page order. By default, Excel prints pages from the top down and left to right on the worksheet, but you can change the direction to print pages from left to right and then from top to down. This is the order of printing pages. Now let's talk about this part, the print area. This is what we have chosen. We have already selected Print Active Sheets. So this is giving the address of this sheet from A1 to N65. Print Titles. These are not active here. I will go to Worksheet to show you. For example, I wanted these 7 rows to be shown in all pages, which I'm gonna print. I have designed it in this first page, but want to see it in all pages. I select, then right-click and Page Setup. Now this part is activated. It asks me rows to repeat at top. I select rows. Here I don't need column, but sometimes it is needed to see like row, column in all pages. Then it can be selected. The rows which we have selected are repeated in all pages. Now let's configure the print page. Here the print should have the adjustment. As you see, the print preview shows that our form will end somehow in the middle of the page. That's why I have to make the rows a little bit wider. Go back to my form, select all rows, and drag one of rows lines to make it bigger. Again, Ctrl P. It is not bad. I select narrow for margin and fit all columns in one page. We have the second page. Back to the form. The dashed lines are showing our first page border finishes here and the second page starts. These dashed lines can be appear vertically also. If the columns will be exceeded from the border of the first page, the vertical dashed line appears. In these situations, we have to adjust our form. For example, delete the blank rows or columns completely. To shrink them. So the dashed lines are disappeared, and we are ready to print out the form.